Dear student, those who are having doubt in contours, its pattern, you can see the video so that whatever doubts are there, it can be clear of. Okay, so kindly see the video. Dear students, I just got your point that you want to know about contours. Contours are the imaginary lines actually which joins the places having same height above sea level. In this picture you are getting to see that brown colors, some lines, curved lines. Yes, contours always show by using a brown lines. And here also you notice properly, here you are getting to see at the top it is written steep slope and at the bottom it is written shallow slope, or we can say gentle slope. Actually, when the contours will be close to each other, then it will form this kind of steep slope. You are getting to see at the top. Even at the right hand corner you are getting to see. But where it will be far apart, it will form gentle slope, where it is written shallow slope. Okay. Here again you just see there, among these contours some lines are very thick. These lines actually the contours, and a special name is there, index contour. You see after a particular interval, that 5 contours interval, the value it is showing there, 100 at the left hand corner, then 150, then 200, then 250, 300, like this way it is increasing. So here if we will write all the values or the height 100, 110, 130, like the 10 meter interval it is shown are mentioned there. But if every contour value we will write, then it will look very, that also we can get clumsy work. So after that 4 intervals, 5 numbers, there the value written, and value always will be in meter. Okay student, so that is the index. You just see here some contours given, but only 700 the value give also written here. So here this the thicker line, this thicker contour is known as that index contour. Okay, so out of this all contours which will be thicker and the value will be mentioned there, that is index contour. One more information I just want to give you, that the contours never intersect to each other, and they always be drawn by using brown color. But in some cases like slope and that breaking up slope, like when there is forming any waterfall or cliff, in that case they can touch. But except these, no cases you will see that they are touching to or intersecting each other. Okay, see in this feature it is forming a conical hill. The pattern of the contours it is showing that, and the value it is just dropped down. Here the pattern of the contours it is clearly given here. The right hand side you are getting to see the contours are close to each other, that's why it is forming steep slope. And the left hand side where the contours are far apart from each other, there it is forming gentle slope. So here student, that by seeing the contour pattern you easily can get to know about the type of the landform. Now students, see in this pattern of contour, two circular that pattern of contour which is having which are having basically 50 meter and 40 meter heights, and they are forming two type ridge and in between the valley. And here in this type of pattern you are getting to see river valleys. River always flow from higher areas to lower areas. The arrowhead it is showing, and here always you have to remember in this kind of valley it will be V-shaped.